Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be doing the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Poco X3 versus OnePlus Nord versus Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The Poco X3 has a Snapdragon 732G processor and the OnePlus Nord has a Snapdragon 765G and the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G has the Snapdragon 750G processor. So in this video, let's take a look at the phones, all the three phones, which phone has a better Antutu benchmark score when you compare all the phones side by side. So this is another question which was asked by most of the users, that how well the Snapdragon 750G processor in the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is gonna compare with the other smartphones as well. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of comparison. So where does the Redmi Note 10 Pro fits in? So will it be with the mid-range segment mobile phones, or will it be a little bit kind of close to premium end segment mobile phones like the OnePlus Nord device? And in case if you like this kind of live wallpaper which are really interesting to use, so try to check the links in description for the live wallpapers. And not only that, you can find the playlist for the each and every smartphone in my channel, so which I have reviewed, as you can see here. So try to check the links in description for more details about the wallpapers which I am using in my all the smartphones, so which has this kind of punch hole and double punch hole as well. So there is a wallpaper available for each and every smartphone. So let me try to open quickly the Antutu benchmark scores in all the smartphones, and let's compare which phone has better results. And before that, let me also show you one quickly what is the GPU. So this is another thing which matters. So whereas the GPU in the Poco X3 is of Adreno 618, as you can see here, in the OnePlus Nord is Adreno 620, as you can see here, friends. So 618 and 620, and in the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is the Adreno, as you can see, 619, as you can clearly see here, the GPU. So the GPU in this phone, Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, is gonna be middle between the OnePlus Nord and the Poco X3 device. So this is the one thing you need to look at. And the next is the OnePlus Nord is a 7 nanometer chipset, as you can see, 7 nanometer, and whereas the Poco X3 is of 8 nanometer, and even the Redmi Note 9 Pro is of same kind of 8 nanometer, as you can see clearly. So this is a quick comparison between the processors and specifications. So now let's compare the Antutu benchmark score. So let me try to open quickly the Antutu benchmarks test. So as you can see, friends, Antutu benchmark from the Poco X3 is about 2,72,000 and OnePlus Nord is of 3,16,000 and the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is of 3,51,000. So usually the 3,51,000, or sometimes it can be 3,30,000 as well. But overall, in terms of the Antutu benchmark test, this processor, 750G processor, has beaten this OnePlus Nord device, as you can see, friends, clearly. So which is really good. So this phone is very much tough competition to the OnePlus Nord as well. So this phone has very good other advantages. So recently I did a video on that one as well. So even I did another video comparing both smartphones. So like Realme X7 Pro or the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, which phone to buy and why. So this is a detailed comparison which I did, particularly comparing both the smartphones. But right now in this Antutu benchmark test, the clear winner is the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G only, because which has got 3,50,000 range. Always I did see the results of close to 3,30,000 as well. But overall, this is a quick comparison between the Antutu benchmark of these three smartphones. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.